Hi, I'm excited to tell you about our new design featuring TinySwitch-5, our highly integrated offline switcher IC. This design is a 36-watt isolated Flyback power supply and delivers a 12-volt 3-amp output. RDK-1040 is intended for appliances and industrial applications. This design showcases a low component count solution that is made possible using the TinySwitch-5 power conversion IC. The circuit employs a compact EF25 transformer and uses a simple Schottky diode for the output rectifier. This design features TinySwitch-5, which builds on our highly successful TinySwitch series and delivers up to 175 watts of output power. In optimized designs, we can achieve up to 92% full load efficiency. With TinySwitch-5, you can select an operating frequency between 60 and 150 kHz to optimize transformer size and minimize EMI. In RDK-1040, the TinySwitch-5 IC is programmed to switch at 85 kHz, ideal for use with a compact EF25 transformer. The design delivers greater than 87% full load efficiency at 115 VAC and 89% full load efficiency at 230 VAC. This 36-watt design has less than 60 mW no-load input power at 230 VAC, delivering 36 watts of output power from 85 VAC up to 230 VAC. It's a flexible design supporting universal input and also provides line over voltage and under voltage protection. This makes it ideal for regions with unstable mains voltages. Additionally, this design meets Class B conducted EMI with a greater than 6 dB margin. TinySwitch-5 based circuits include extensive protection features such as line under voltage, line over voltage, over temperature, short circuit, over power, and primary sense output over voltage protection. And if you'd like to evaluate RDK-1040, please contact your local FAE or Power Integration Sales Office. Or you can order the kit directly from the Power Integrations website. And for more information about TinySwitch-5, please visit power.com.